Good morning, Internet. You're welcome to TLC Learn, and today we'll be looking at how to create gradients, export them, import them, how you can create your own custom gradient swatches. We're opening up a new project in Photoshop. I trust to continue. So to do this, we're going to create a new layer. Let's just name it gradient BG. Then we filled our layer with that foreground color using G. The shortcut for that is G. It gives you the paint bucket, and then you fill in the paint bucket. So now first we add a gradient using from layer styles. But now let's enter into our gradient layer style and create some more gradients. That was the gradient we had before, but now let's create a few more gradients. The first stop, let's put that pastel blue, very light blue like that, and then let's give it a light red to create a pastel looking blue to red to blue effect, and let's name that pastel blue pink, and then we click the new there to add it to our current swatch. Again, let's create a yellow, and from a yellow let's add another one. Let's add that blue. Have that yellow blue pastel looking thing. Let's name this to pastel yellow and cyan. Let's click new. That's 2. Let's create one more, or just a few more, but right now let's create this one. Let's go in the region of green. Alright, and the second stop, let's do purple for complementary colors, and let's name that pastel green purple. Let's click new. Now let's create a transparent one, because we've been doing filled ones. So right now we're going to add a transparent one. First of all, we select a blue color, or maybe just that dark blue color right there. Second stop, that's right. But now we're going to reduce the transparency of that to 0, so which means we never really needed that first green, but that's fine. Let's just move things forward a little bit. So that yellow in the background is the yellow from our paint bucket. That region is actually transparent, so let's call that transparent blue. Click new to add it to our current swatch, our custom swatch. We're not going to return this to opacity of 100%. Let's go back to where the stop is. Sorry, I'm clicking the wrong thing. Alright, let's go back to where the stop is, bring it up. Okay, now let's create one more, maybe a gray one this time around, a gray looking pastel. The second stop, let's something a bit darker, and that's fine. Let's just use that, or maybe change it up a bit. Okay, so let's rename that to pastel gray. Let's click new. So now we have 5. Now we're going to select all. Let's just go back in. Just want to show us there that we're done. So we select all. We hold shift, click the first one, and then click the gray. Click on export. That's going to take us to that folder. That's app data, Rumi, Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop 2020 preset gradient. So basically you can get to that folder by going back to in Windows. Of course, in Windows, I don't know what that folder will be, so we're naming that pastel 1. So I was talking about how to get to that folder. You're gonna have to reveal hidden folders in your Windows Explorer, and then you can go to app data and follow that. So now we've deleted all of our gradient swatches that we just created. Now let's import them back. We just bring that in. That's right, now we have a folder with that name, my pastel one, and let's test it out. So from the first one, blue, cyan, transparent, and gray, that's fine. So now we're gonna test our gradients with a duotone effect, so you know that you can use your own gradient for anything you want, really. So this is no longer you can stop the video here and just move on to other things you want to do, but we just want to apply our gradient here because that's one thing I like to do, that we teach concepts or we teach things and would like to show applications of these things that we'll teach. So now we're having this inverted look because our gradient was created invertedly, so we're going to reverse it right now, and you see, boom, we created that duotone looking effect. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel, please, we do need it. Alright, so we have this course coming to Udemy soon, and we'll provide a link to go to that. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel.